Very good morning. Today we will start logic gates for the final year students semesters 6th elective subject basic electronics. We all familiar with the gate. In our houses we will be using gates. It is observed that a gate will open in two directions. Some gates will open only in one direction. So in and out only one direction. So there we can say that that gate has got some logic. That means one is opening in two ways and the other is opening only in one way. Similarly, there are logic gates in electronic circuits. In our day-to-day life, we are using same as cell phones, computers, laptops, telephones, TVs, all these things. All these are manufactured using gates nowadays. Gates will follow certain logic here. That logic is input and output. There are more than two inputs, but only there is only one output. The gates will function when all the inputs are there, only one input is there, or all other inputs are absent. So these are some kinds of varieties how the logic is there. So we'll discuss more clearly about these logic gates in today's chapter. So electronic circuits are followed making use of voltage signal or electrical signal. These signals has voltage levels or values. A voltage value or level is either it should be high value or low value. Whatever may be the value of the voltage, we treat only high level value and low level value. Generally, it is represented by 0 and 1. 0 resembles to the low level value of the voltage, and 1 will be high level voltage value. George Boolean, an English mathematician, developed algebra of logic, which is called Boolean algebra, in his honor. The algebra is entirely different from the algebra of number system. A variable can have only two values or preferably two states. These two states are represented as 0 and 1. Hence, in Boolean algebra, every variable is either a 0 or a 1. So, these two states are also called true and false states in logic. So, they are also represented by on and off states in electronic circuits. There are no negative and fractional numbers. Though we use 0 and 1, they must be considered as symbols. The term logic is usually used to refer to a decision making process. A logic gate makes logical decision regarding the existence of output depending upon the nature of the input. Hence, such all circuits are called logic gates. Generally, a gate can be regarded as a barrier which allows the signal or signals to pass through it freely, but when closed, prevents the passage of information. A digital circuit with one or more input signals but only one output signal is called a logic gate. Logic gates process the digital signals in a specific manner. Logic gates are used in calculators, digital watches, computers, robots, industrial control systems, and telecommunications. All logic gates can be analyzed constructing a truth table. It is usual practice to show the conditions at the input and output of a logic gate in the binary form in a table format. Such a table is called truth table. A truth table lists out all the possible input and corresponding output for each input. It contains one row for each one of the input combinations. Suppose if there are n inputs, then there will be 2 power n possible combinations and their corresponding outputs. A 2 input OR gate has a truth table with 2 power 2 or 4 inputs words, or a 3 input OR gate has 2 power 3 means 8 input words. The inputs are entered in the truth table as per the ascending order of the binary numbers of the input variables. So in figure 4.2 as shown here, the basic idea of logic gates using switches is depicted. In actual gate circuits, the switches S1 and S2 are replaced by diodes and transistors. When S1 and S2 are open, the bulb is off. When S1 is open and S2 is closed, the bulb is off. When S2 is open and S1 is closed, the bulb is off. When both S1 and S2 are closed, the bulb is on. The output, either it will be off or on, depends upon the conditions at the input. It is clear that when either of these two switches, S1 or S2, or both are open, the bulb is off. In binary language, when either of the inputs or both the inputs are low, that is 0, the output is low. When the switches are closed, the bulb is on. In terms of binary language, when both inputs are high, that is at level 1, the output is high. The outputs for the corresponding inputs are shown in the truth table 4.10. The operation of a logic gate may be described either by truth table or Boolean algebra. The logic gate that these symbols 0 and 1 follows is expressed as various operations. These operations are the OR operation represented by a plus sign, the AND operation represented by a dot or cross dot sign, the NOT operation is represented by a bar vinculum over a variable. The three basic logic gates that make up all digital circuits are OR gate, AND gate, and NOT gate, NOT gate. The following points may be noted about logic gates. A binary 0 represents 0 voltage and binary 1 represents plus 5 volts. It is common to refer to binary 0 as low input or output and binary 1 as high input or output. A logic gate has only one output signal, which depends on input signal or signals and the type of the gate. Now let us look at it. OR gate. Figure 4.3 shows the logic gate symbol of OR gate. Note that the symbol has curved line at the input. An OR gate is logic gate that has two or more inputs but only one output. The output Y of an OR gate is high if any or all the inputs are high. However, the output Y of an OR gate is low when all the inputs are low. It is called OR gate because the output is high if any or all of the inputs are high. Sometimes it is also called any or AL gate. Boolean expression for this. This is shown in table 4.11. To describe logic functions symbolically, the algebra used is called Boolean algebra. The plus sign in Boolean algebra refers to the logical OR function. Its logical equation is given by y is equal to a over b over c and so over n is equal to a plus b plus c plus n. The truth table of a two input OR gate is given in truth table 4.11. 4.11. Its logic operation is y is equal to a plus b and it is read as y equals a or b. So according to the truth table, when 0 is ORed with 0, the result equals 0. Also, any variable ORed with 1 equals 1. The OR function can be summed up as under: 0 OR 0 equals 0, 0 ORed with 1 equals 1, 1 ORed with 1 equals 1. OR gate can also be used to modify the pulse waveform. We will see the OR gate operation. The figure 4.4 shows a way to build two input OR gate, while figure 4.4b shows simplified schematic diagram. The input voltages are labeled as A and B, while the output. Here the negative terminal of the battery is grounded and corresponds to 0 state, that is low level. The positive terminal of the battery plus 5V 5 volts corresponds to 1, that is high level. There are 4 input output possibilities in this case. So this is shown in the table 4.4. When both A and B are connected to ground, both diodes are non-conducting. Hence, the output voltage is ideally 0, that is low voltage level. In terms of binary, when A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, then Y is equal to 0, as shown in the truth table 4.12. When A is connected to ground and B is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, diode D2 is forward biased and diode D1 is non-conducting. Therefore, D2 conducts and the output voltage is ideally plus 5 volts. In terms of binary, when A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, then Y is equal to 1, as shown in the truth table. Third condition. When A is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and B to the ground, the diode D1 is on mode, and diode D2 is off. Again, the output voltage is 5 volts. In binary terms, when A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, then Y is equal to 1, as shown in the truth table. Last one. When both A and B are connected to the positive terminal of the battery, both diodes are in on state. Since the diodes are in parallel, the output voltage is plus 5 volts. In binary terms, when A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, then Y is equal to 1, which can be seen in truth table 4.12. So next gate is AND gate. So in figure 4.5, it is shown the logic symbol of AND gate, AND gate. The AND gate is a logic gate that has two or more inputs but only one output. the output Y of AND gate is high when all the inputs are high. However, the output of Y of AND gate is low if any or all inputs are low. The AND gate is sometimes called all or nothing gate because the output is high only when all the inputs are high. Boolean expression. The multiplication symbol dot sign is in Boolean algebra refers to the logical AND function. The Boolean expression for AND function is given by y equals a and b and c and so and on and n. So that is a dot b dot c dot so dot n is equal to a b c n, where a b c n are the input variables and y is the output variable. Each variable can assume only one of the two possible values, that is 0 or 1. The binary variables are also referred to as logical variables. The truth table of a two input AND gate is given in table 4.13. The logic equation is y equals to a dot b equal to ab, and it is read as y equals a and b. According to this table, when 0 ANDed with any variable equals 0. Also, variable 1 ANDed with 1 equals 1. The AND function can be summed up as under: 0 ANDed with 0 equals 0, 0 ANDed with 1 equals 0, 1 ANDed with 1 equals 1. So we'll see the AND gate operation. Figure 4.6 shows one way to build a two input AND gate, while figure 4.6b shows simplified schematic diagram. When both A and B are connected to ground, both diodes D1 and D2 are forward biased and hence they conduct current. Thus the two diodes are grounded and output voltage is 0. In terms of binary, when A and B is equal 0, then Y is equal 0, as shown in the truth table 4.13. When A is connected to the ground and B is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, diode D1 is forward biased while diode D2 will not conduct. Therefore, the diode D1 conducts and is grounded. Again, the output voltage will be 0. In binary terms, when A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, then Y is equal to 0. This fact is shown in the truth table 4.13. When A is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and B is connected to the ground, now diode D2 will conduct while diode D1 does not conduct. As a result, diode D2 is grounded and again output voltage is 0. In binary notation, when A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, then Y is equal to 0. This is also shown in the truth table 4.13. When both inputs A and B are connected to positive terminal of the battery, both the diodes do not conduct. Now the output voltage is plus 5 volts because there is no current through the load resistance RL.